Unlock the secure door to your digital riches, and let's dive into setting up your very own Coinbase wallet. First things first, head over to the Coinbase Wallet website or download their official app on your smartphone. You'll find links in the description below on the website. Look for the prominent download button and click it to start the installation process for your preferred device. Once the app is installed, open it up and you'll be greeted with two main options: create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. Since we're building from scratch, tap on Create a New Wallet. Your next crucial step is to set a strong, unique password. This isn't just for logging into the app. It's your key to accessing your wallet. Make it something memorable for you, but difficult for others to guess. Now, and this is extremely important, you'll be shown a recovery phrase. This phrase is your wallet's master key. Write it down, offline, in a safe place, and never share it with anyone. Anyone with this phrase can access your funds. Treat it like the most valuable secret you possess. To ensure you've safely recorded your recovery phrase, the app will ask you to re-enter it. This is a critical security check, so take your time and verify each word carefully. Congratulations, your Coinbase wallet is now set up. This wallet is non-custodial, meaning you have full control over your private keys. This gives you immense power and responsibility for managing your cryptocurrency assets securely. Within your wallet, you can easily send and receive various cryptocurrencies. Just tap Receive to get a unique address for each coin, and send when you're ready to transfer assets. Always double-check recipient addresses to avoid errors. For an extra layer of security, consider integrating a hardware wallet with your Coinbase wallet. This keeps your private keys offline, offering robust protection against online threats. Remember, with great crypto comes great responsibility, and Coinbase Wallet empowers you to take control.